Wagwan family, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how I make this pumpkin soup with beef and chicken. First and foremost, big up Father God over here. So here, I have some beef, just going to cut it up in small pieces. Here I have 3 chicken leg and thigh. Cut it up also and clean it and wash it with salt and lime. So now I'm seasoning the chicken and the beef together in the same bowl. So now I'm going to add it to the pot. Over here, I have my water boiling on the stove already, so I add the chicken and the beef, some garlic, pimento, and onions. Now I'm going to cover it up or allow it to cook while I cut up some carrot, Cho Cho, and pumpkin. So now I'm washing them. Going to add them to the pot now. Now I'm going to cover it and allow it to cook for 15 minutes. Here, I'm peeling sweet potato, Irish potato, cocoa, sweet yam, and corn. So now I am washing them. Going to add them to the pot. Now give it a stir. Now I'm going to make some dumplings. So I add 2 cups of flour, 1/3 cup of cornmeal, and half teaspoon of salt. Now I mix the cornmeal and the salt and the flour. Then I add the water, a little by little, to form the dough. So I just add as needed. So here the dough form, perfect dough. So now I'm just going to pop off a small piece and knead the dumplings then. So just like that. Pop off another piece and you rotate it in your hand until you form a ball. Then you flat it out. Look at those. That's 10 dumplings. Now I'm going to add them to the pot. Give it a stir. Alright, now I'm going to cover it up back for another couple of minutes before I add the rest of seasoning. So here I'm going to add some celery. Give it a stir. Cover for another 5 minutes. Now I'm add Scotch bonnet pepper. Add scallions and thyme. Here I add chicken noodle and pumpkin noodle. So now I'm going to stir it up. Mix everything together. Now I'm going to cover it up for another 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, it's ready to serve. Look at that, my people. Rich and nice. And here you have it. Pumpkin soup with chicken and beef. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe for more recipe like this. Peace out.